Hello guys, I am Jahid Islam, student of Coders Trust. Today I will try to describe about the media query, which is a CSS property. I get to know recently that many of our classmates does have problem in media query. That is why I am making this tutorial. This is the uh, CSS file and media queries that I have used recently in my work, and this is my work. This is the mobile view. So in mobile view my site looks like that. So if I use an example here in navigation, you can see that the text is text align and does have a border on hover. So if I click on li tag, we can see the CSS in the right section. So in right section you can see the main CSS. From main CSS it getting line 494. So if we see line 494, this is, so the site is getting in mobile view under uh, 320 to 480 devices, this style sheet is getting. So before this style I have used a media only screen and minimum width 480 to max it 767. So that means this style sheet will work only 480 pixel to 767 pixel devices. So if I narrate, then we can see it, the layout is different in more small devices. So if I see the list style again, then you can see it is getting CSS from line number 461. So 461, so if I see 461 is getting this style sheet, this style. So before this style we can see we have called a media. So here we told the browser that media only screen and only screen max it 767. So 767 we already called it here, so why should I write it here 77? Because we already called minimum at 480 to 767. So before 480 we have 479. So this style sheet will will work on 479. If we mistakenly forget to list the style in 480 to this portion where we should use CSS for 480 devices, if I mistakenly forget to enlisted here, then the CSS will then the browser will get this CSS because we called it here to tell browser that it will work to 767. If 480 does not have any CSS, it does have here or mistakenly forget to listed here, then the CSS listed here in under 320 pixel, it will get the CSS style in 480 devices. I think it is little bit clumsy. Let me clear once again that if we mistakenly forget to listed our CSS style for 480 devices under this portion, it will get that CSS for that element, for for our deserved element, we'll get the same CSS classes and same CSS property from this portion. Means it's a backup for this portion. If we mistakenly don't include here anything, it will get the CSS from here. That how it works. So if I add text align center, so if I reload the browser, then we can see in small screen the text is aligned center as well, like in 480, in 320. So here I have called for tablet view and small PC which does have device does have weight 1170 pixel. So I have called here 4 media queries for wide mobile layout, tablet layout and small PC layout. So that's how media query works. If anyone still does have any confusion, please ask me in class. I will try my level best to teach you this thing personally. Thank you again. Keep coding.